Students, I again discuss about the topic straight line. So this is the second class. Here I discuss about condition for parallelism and perpendicularity of two straight lines. So how we can generate the conditions? If we take a Cartesian plot, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin O. For the condition of parallelism, we have to take two straight lines which are parallel to each other, like this straight line and this straight line. Here that slope is made by the angles generated through the straight lines and the x-axis are equal. So this is the condition that the slope are equal for each other. If this is a alpha, this is beta, then here must be the slopes of the two straight lines must be equal. So tan alpha is equal to tan beta. If the slope is dependent by m1 of the first straight line and m2 by the second straight line, then this is the required condition for parallelism, that their slope must be equal. Now, if the two straight lines are perpendicular to each other, again I am drawing this Cartesian plot. X-axis, y-axis, the origin O. If I take a straight line here in this way, another straight line in this way, which are perpendicular to each other. This is pi by 2. Its slope is alpha I am taking. Then this must be, if we take a parallel line like the straight line AB, and this is CD, parallel line. So this parallel line A slash B slash have similar angle here, alpha, and since this is perpendicular, CD is perpendicular to AB, this must be perpendicular to A slash B slash. So this angle must be pi by 2. So here, if the total angle is beta, this angle is beta, made by the straight line CD. This is beta, this whole angle. Then beta is equal to pi by 2 plus alpha, where alpha is the angle made by the straight line with the x-axis. So here tan alpha, tan beta is equal to tan pi by 2 plus alpha, which is tangent is negative in the second quadrant. So this will be minus cot alpha, or we can write down minus of 1 by tan alpha. So if the slope of the second straight line is m2, then m2 is equal to minus 1 by, and the slope of the first straight line AB is m1, then m2 must be equal to 1 by m1. So we can write down m1 multiply m2 is equal to minus 1. So this is our required equation, required condition, that two straight lines must be perpendicular if their multiplication of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Then the two straight lines are called perpendicular to each other. Now I am going to another form of equation, which is called slope intercept form. See, this is slope intercept form. So how we can generate this equation, slope intercept form? We take a Cartesian plan. Here this is x-axis, this is origin, this is the y-axis. Now I am taking a straight line in this way. This is, I am taking AB, a straight line. Now if we take a parallel line like x-axis, a straight line which is parallel to x-axis, a point P I am taking on the straight line AB, x, y. So the angle made by the straight line AB with the axis x-axis is alpha. Then here we are taking the point lies from the x-axis at a distance c distance from the x-axis, the parallel straight line, and since this is equal to y, so this distance must be this must be y minus c, and this is x, so this must be equal to x. So here if we look this angle, so this angle is equal to alpha, because these two straight lines x-axis and the straight line are parallel, so the similar angles must be equal, so this must be equal to alpha. So here tan alpha, which is the slope of the straight line AB, is equal to y minus c by x, or you can write down m, which is the slope of the straight line, y minus c by x. So we will get y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the slope intercept form of equation of any straight line. So any straight line can be directly found out in slope intercept form in this way. If any straight line equation is given, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, it can be written down in this way: y is equal to minus b by a, ax minus c. So here minus a by b, So here minus a by b is the slope of the straight line. Can be written in this way: ax plus c slash, where am is equal to minus a by b and c slash is equal to minus c. So in this way we can just transform any general equation of first degree equation in two variables into slope intercept form. Now another form is point slope form. Point slope form can be point slope form. So here one point slope form. Here one point is given and we have to generate one point, the point slope form. So here if we take again a Cartesian plan, x-axis, y-axis, the origin O, and this is the straight line. Here a general point we are taking P coordinate xy, and another point Q which is given. This is x1, y1, it is fixed. Now we are taking the angle mixed by the straight line with the axis is alpha. Then we have for the straight line alpha is constant, so tan alpha is look here again. Here we have taken another perpendicular. This is P, Q. Here I am taking this is R. So this is Y. This is X, and the whole distance is this distance is x1. This will be x1 minus x, and this distance, this will be this QR will be y2 minus y, and PR will be y1 minus y, and it will be x1 minus x. So tan alpha is the slope of the straight line is QR by PR. Since this angle is alpha and this QR and x-axis are parallel, so since they are similar angles, so angle QPR will be alpha with the angle QCX. Now we can put these values. So if the slope is written AM, then AM is equal to y1 minus y by x1 minus x, or we can write down y minus y1 by x minus x1. So we can find out y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is a point slope form. The required point slope form. If you like these videos, then like. If you have not subscribed this channel, then subscribe this channel to get this such kind of videos. Thanks for watching.